Good morning there, everyone. Trading Nation. Here we are, and we are going to do a new challenge. This is going to be a $100 to hopefully $1,000 Robinhood challenge. And the rule is, you can see this is my Robinhood account, which I just opened up, starting balance of $100 with no trades. And our goal is to go step by step here and try to grow this from $100 to $1,000 in Robinhood and see if it can be done. So this is my very first trade. This is how you can place a very first trade here on Robinhood. Today is August 23rd, 2019. This is day one of the Robinhood $100 to $1,000 challenge. And if we get to the $1,000, I'm going to donate the initial $100 to a charity, and I will let you guys help vote on what charity we should donate that to should we get to the $1,000. So getting ready here to make first trade. I'm trying to come up with a risk management strategy, as obviously I'm trying to not focus on the $1,000 goal but not lose my $100 and blow up this account. So I have a stock I've been following here that I want to see. What it's called, INFN. And remember, this is not trading advice. This is just you following along, watching what I'm doing. And I'm trying to see what I can do here with $100. This is a company that I believe is going to go up. So let me see what we have here. This little box here on the right says options. So let's go to options since I don't have much money. So I want to give I don't really like options. Let's go way out here. Let's give us some time. Let's go out to October 2018. I like this $5 call, which is currently trading at 50 cents, and on options, that would mean one option contract would cost me $50. Let's see if I can add one. Total cost $50. Now, the interesting thing about Robinhood is there's no commissions, so I'm a little interested to see how it fills it. And if you are opening up a Robinhood account for the first time, you're following along, I'll put a link below. If you sign up through Robinhood with that link, you will get a free stock from Robinhood. They will give you one share of a stock for free. And when I signed up, I got Fitbit. So I'm not sure how they assign the stock, but if you click the link below, you will have an option to go ahead there and get that free stock. So let's continue and let's see. So limit price 100 share, long call, max cost. Why did it not give me one? There we go. Contracts 100 share. Okay, so one contract. That's about the mid price of $50. Good for today. Max cost $50. Let's review the order. You're paying $50 for the right to buy 100 shares of INFN for $5 per share by October 18. If they aren't $5 or higher, this will be worth 0. So let's take our first trade, submit. And contracts 0 of 1. So we didn't get filled instantly. Let's just I'll pause it here. We'll give it a minute and see if we get filled. Okay, it's been a few more minutes here, and I'm growing impatient. Still not getting filled. This is a bad idea, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel the order and then increase it by the $5, which is on the ask, so that should get me filled instantly. Let's see here. So let's go back to account, and then go INFN, trade options, and we'll re-enter the order here. October 18th, $5. Continue. So we want, so the bid and ask is 55. So if I put in one contract at 55 cents, which is $55. Well, no, not $5. 0.55. I should get filled instantly on this, even though I'm overpaying, because I should just wait at the mid price. But I'm growing impatient, so this is not a good idea probably. But let's review the order. interested to place my first order here on Robinhood. And double check it. Click submit. Per contracts purchased 1. Yay, we have our first order. Oh, we got split a little bit. We got a 52. So they split it a little bit. We got filled a little bit better than we were hoping. So, and 0 commission. So let's go done. Now let's see how we review our, maybe this little feather here, our position. All right, we're down $2. That's the difference between the bid and the ask then. Okay, so our first trade, we're instantly down $2. Great job, everybody. All right, that's just kind of the way it is. Let's give this some time now. We'll see how this performs. We still do have 48. How much do we have left? Because we got that at 52. So we have somewhere on there. Should tell us how much we have available to trade, correct? Somewhere here. Let's see here. $98. So this is popular collection as we were trying to figure out this program. Home? Share. Recent news. Just a second, let's find it. Okay, I figured it out. You go to account, and then you are in your account, and that shows the portfolio value, our stock and options of $50. That's the current value. And then we have cash of $48, and that gives us $48 available for future trades. And let's see how this goes. All right, follow along, and if you guys have not signed up for Robinhood, it's your first time, click the link below. That was a very successful first 0 commission trade on Robinhood. Till next time, everyone. See ya.